Good evening, guys. In this today's video, we are gonna solve chapter 12.9, question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Question 3. It says that it's given a equation of curve and find ddx of y, and hence explain why the curve has no turning points. Let's see. Y is given as 2x plus 5 here as a numerator, and as a denominator x plus 1. Now the first derivative ddx of y would be here the quotient law, right? So v as a lower ground, v square. Now v is a constant here, we have to differentiate the u, I mean the numerator, so 2 formula minus. Now u would be constant here, we have to differentiate v, I mean the lower ground, this part, x plus 1, so here is 1. So 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 5. On the denominator x plus 1 whole square. So which is our differentiation result of the curve. Okay, the value would be minus 3 over x plus 1 whole square. Yeah, the result is correct. Now it says that explain why the curve has no turning points. For having turning points, the gradient of a point must be 0. That means minus 3 x plus 1 whole square must be equal to 0. But here minus 3 cannot be 0. So the curve has no stationary point or turning point. Explained actually. Okay. Question number 3 done. Now question number 4. The curve has a maximum point at x equal to minus 2. Find the value of a. Okay, let's go. Y is given as 2x cube plus ax square. A is another variable here. Minus 12x plus 7. First thing first, differentiation. 6x square plus 2ax minus 12. For maximum point is actually a stationary point. For a stationary point, ddx of y must be 0 here. So 6x square plus 2ax minus 12 must be 0. So we know the point is x coordinate is minus 2, right? We have to input here. So 24 here, minus 4a minus 12 is equal to 0. So 12 is equal to 4a, so a is 3. Yeah, a is 3, which is the result. Question number 5. The curve, okay, it's a cubic equation, has a stationary point at 1, 3. Okay. Find the value of a and b. Okay. First thing first, a and b we have to figure out. Y is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. Guys, if this is a stationary point but a point on the curve, right? So we can input the value here. So first thing first, y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. So 1 plus a plus b. So a plus b is equal to 2. Remember this value. If this is a stationary point but a point on the curve, right? So we can input the value. Again, y is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. first differentiation. Three x square plus a. For stationary point, 3x square plus a must be 0 here at 1 comma 3, so x is equal to 1. So 3 plus a is equal to 0, so a is equal to -3. And from this equation we got a plus b is equal to 2, so b is equal to 2 minus a, and here a is negative, so it would become 5. Yeah, -3 comma 5, absolutely correct. A is equal to -3, b is equal to 5. Number a done. This is 5a done. Determine the nature of the stationary point at 1 comma 3. We have to do the second differentiation. 5b. We got ddx of y is equal to 3x square. A value, the value of a is -3. Okay. Second differentiation. 6x at x is equal to 1. The second differentiation would be 6, which is greater than 0, so it's a minimum. Yeah, definitely it's a minimum. Number b done. Number c says that find the coordinates of the other stationary point, okay, on the curve and determine the nature of that stationary point. Okay, let's see. Sorry, 5c. Before going to 5c, I have to check the thing here. A is -3, b is 5. Okay. Okay. 5c. The curve is x cube minus 3x plus 5. So here the first differentiation would be 3x square minus 3. For a stationary point, ddx of y must be 0, right? So 3x square minus 3 must be 0. If I take 3 common here, I'll get x square -1 is equal to 0. Guys, here is a fact. X plus 1 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 and -1. We already calculated x equal to 1. Now we have to calculate x equal to -1. This one. It's really fun actually. So 6x actually, right? At x equal to -1. Okay. -6, which is less than 0. It's a maximum. Yeah, it's a maximum. should they ask us to calculate the coordinates? Okay, if x equal to -1, y should be from the first equation, -1 cube plus 3 plus 5, so it's 7. So -1 comma 7, it's a maximum. Question number 5 done. It's a big question. Question number 6, the curve has a stationary point, this one. Find the value of a and b. Okay, similar as 5a. Determine the nature nature of the stationary point. Similar, 5 and 6 is a similar question. Should I have to do it, man? Okay, I'm doing it. Y is equal to x square plus a over x plus b, 6a. First input the value, y is equal to -1 and x is equal to 1. So 1 plus a plus b. So a plus b is equal to -2. Guys, remember this fact. Again, y is equal to x square plus a over x plus b. First differentiation, 2x minus a by x square. For stationary point, this particular value is 0, so 2x is equal to a by x square. So we are getting 2x cube is equal to a. So a is equal to 2x cube. At point x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, so a is equal to 2. If a is equal to 2, then b is equal to -4. So we can sum up the result. A is equal to 2, b is equal to -4. Yeah, the answer is correct. Okay. Six B. Determine the nature of the stationary point. Okay. So we got 2x a by x square. First input the value of a. 2x minus a is 2 by x square. Okay. Then the second differentiation. Here is 2, it should be plus 4 by x cube. Okay. Now at x equal to 1. Two plus 4, which is 6, which is greater than 0. Okay. So the point 1 comma minus 1 is minimum. So 1 comma minus 1, it's a minimum. Okay. Question number 7. I guess similar type of question. Y is equal to ax plus b by x square. The point is passing through point minus 1 comma minus 12. So it's a stationary point, doesn't matter, but a point on the curve, right? So I can input the values. Minus 12 minus a plus b. So it's an equation. The first derivative would be a here minus 2b over x cube. Now the stationary point should be 0, so a is equal to 2b over x cube. At x is equal minus 1, then a should be 2b minus 1 minus 2b. So I can substitute this value to the first equation. Minus 12 is equal to minus a, and a is equal to minus 2b here, so it should be positive 2b plus b. So 3b is equal to negative 12, b is equal to negative 4, and a is equal to 8. Yeah, answer. Determine the nature of the stationary point. (7b). The equation is ax plus b over x square. Let's input the value first. 8x minus 4 by x square. First equation. Okay, 8 plus 8 by x cube. Okay. Second derivative would be minus 24 by x to the power 4 at x is equal to minus 1. The thing would be minus 24, which is less than 0. It's a maximum. Yeah, it's a maximum. So minus 1 comma minus 12, it's a maximum point or maxima. Guys, I'm running out of question, so I have to take another screenshot and I have to input here, so I'm not going to do it. So today is till 7. Thank you guys for joining with me. If you need one-to-one session, you can call me by my number or you can WhatsApp me. That would be more convenient. So here is the name, Nadim Sir, and this is my contact. I would love to teach you guys. Thanks.